Hey everyone, Happy New Year! So 2021, we had a lot of great things happen on the channel Artland. We finally reached over 100,000 subscribers, we had one of our videos hit over 1 million views, and we posted over 1,500 videos since starting. So it's been a lot of fun and a really great ride, and I hope to continue this awesome ride into 2022. So I thought it'd be fun today to show you how to draw Godzilla in a New Year's surprise. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our New Year's Godzilla, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right up here, and we're just going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back like a check mark. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up. Then we're going to bring this line back, and we're going to bring it down with another little line down. And we're going to draw a little line underneath it. Next I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring it over and then come down. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down. Next, we're going to draw this line up here like a smile. Then we're going to draw a little line that comes down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come over, and we're going to curve it up. Then we're going to make a little line right here for the nose. Then we're going to draw a little line that comes down. And we're going to make some teeth on the bottom and on the top. Next we're going to draw a couple more little lines that go down and in. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down for the neck. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go in here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go straight down for the leg. We're going to make a couple little lines right here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back. We'll make another one that's going to come down and then back. We're going to make a line that's going to come over, and we're going to go up, and then we're going to curve it up here. Starting here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go down, make a line that comes down and back, and then one more that comes down and back for some toes. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to curve it around up to about here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw the arm. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go out like this. I'm going to make another one that's going to go down, and we're going to bring it out like this. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm just going to go down to a point and then up. And we're going to make a couple more little lines that are just going to curve around like this. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines here. And we're going to make a couple more coming down here too. I'm going to draw a little triangle on the top of each one of these. And then I'm going to make a circle or oval shape on each one for some balloons. Then we're just going to continue this line down, and it's going to follow the shape of the tail, and we'll connect it to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go over. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. I'll make another line that's going to curve around. Another one here, it's going to come to a point and back, and then one more here. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come over and then up. I'm going to make a little line here and a little line down here. And we're going to draw a little line that comes out and then back. And then inside of here, let's write 2022. Now, up here on the top of Godzilla's head, I'm going to draw a little bit of a bumpy line. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for like a party hat. And then right at the top, I'm going to make kind of like a pointed little shape. Then I'm going to add some curved lines on here. Then we're going to add some spikes. I'm just going to add some pointed little spikes that go all across the back. You can make these all different sizes, and you just want to make them a little bit smaller as they get towards the end of the tail. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. I want to make some curved lines right across here for his stomach. We'll continue this line all the way down the tail, and we'll do the same thing. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes out and another one here. And then we're just going to make kind of like a big zigzag shaped line all the way around here. And then inside of it, we can write Happy New Year. And there you go, there is your drawing of your New Year's Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.